So here's how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. It's very simple and quick process to do. Let's get started. First of all, you need to tap on the file on the left upper side. So tap on the file. And then from here, you will see the account option on the bottom. So tap on the account. And then from here, under the Office background option, you will see the Office theme. So currently it is selected as black. Then you can select ease as dark gray, or if you are just want to turn off the dark mode, you probably tap this on like the white. So now if you just tap on back, turned off the dark mode in Microsoft Word. So once again, if we just go to the file and then account and then tap on these, and then you will see dark gray or colorful. Let's just tap on the colorful, and as you can see, now it looks totally different and it looks nice. So that's how you can turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.